Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what you can see that silver is quite volatile, that is after second week of April 2022. Okay, this is where from 2022 the price of silver is moving. It's quite high. I made a high around $26.5 and a low of around $17.6. Okay, a $6 high and low as we have seen. But otherwise, if you look at this particular chart, we have seen it is moving in this zone. Okay, and before that, if you look at when the pandemic just got over and when started moving upside, okay, a flag pattern was forming. Okay, this is the flag pattern, as you can see that. See, as soon as it breaks this particular down, we have seen a sharp fall has come. Okay, and after this sharp fall, it was in this zone. Again, when it moves below this particular zone, again it fall and a swing has formed. After that, there is a continuous upside. Okay, so looking at this particular chart, what you can see that this was the volatility is high. Okay, but this is the range where the price of silver is moving. Okay, so now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go in the next 2 weeks or next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and the telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, this is a U pattern is forming. After that there is a fall. Okay, and it was indicating a cup pattern was forming, so it went upside, and after making half around $26.06. Again, keep it in mind, make a hash that when the price comes close to this particular level, chance of going further upside will be there, and a probability that it can touch a level of around 27 is on a high chances, because $26 is already being a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside is there. Okay, and it is trying to go upside. Okay, overall trend, if you look at this particular from this particular zone, a U pattern is forming. So if the price sustain above a level of $24.682, then also we can see it can go further upside. Till the time it will sustain this, we can see it will be on the upper side. Okay, but if it till the time it is not going above this particular level, we can see it can go further down, or it will move upside. Okay, or from there this particular point we can see a bounce back can come further down. Okay, suppose if this touch particular level, and it can bounce back toward downside. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what you can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, it can move further upside towards a level of around $24.568. Okay, so $24.568 is already being tested here twice, so it is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high if it sustain this level, it can go further high, and a probability is that we can see a level of $24.674. Okay, this $24.674 is already being a weak resistance. Okay, so chances are high it can go further upside, and a probability is very high it can go further high, and we can see it can touch a level of around $25. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above $25, then a probability is that we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of 25.315 is there, and if that level also sustain, then you can see yes, it can go further upside, because that level is already being tested here, that is $25.816. so keep it in mind, once started sustaining of $25, chance of touching 25.315 is there, and from there we can say level $25.816, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can cross a level of around 26, and then it can touch a level of $26.243. Okay, so once it sustain, after sustaining this level, we can see a level of $26. After that we can see a level of 26.243. this 26 is already being tested here, so chances of going further upside is there. Okay, keep it in mind, as soon as it breaks this particular zone, because this level we have not seen since April of 2022, so chances of going further upside is there. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Now you have to understand something, that market will not move as per you. Whatever you are looking at the chart, that is the real thing. Whatever news are coming, everything you cannot rely, but what is moving, what is there in the chart, that is the real truth. Okay, so you have to be ready with your SL, because suppose if there is a big event coming, if you do not know where the price can move upside or downside, so always try to set a SL for a particular day, okay, first thing, and for a particular trade, second thing, for a particular week, for a particular month. Why I'm telling you this? Because you can save your capital. That is a big thing. If you can save your capital, you can make your money. Okay, why? Because suppose if you took 5 trades also, and if you are saving your capital in 3 losses, then probability is that if 2 are right, you will not be in a pressure to recover your money. But if you made 3 decisions right, okay, which I teach in my workshop also, how to strategize your trades and all, so you can definitely try to make good money or good investment you can make. Okay, so you have to save your capital. This some of the formula which I teach, you can attend my workshop. Okay, so now if the market didn't sustain, if the price didn't sustain, because market is always uncertain, okay, you can trail your profit. That is where you can save your profit. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around $24.090. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $24. okay, and if the price fall below $24, then chances of going towards a level of $23.884 is there. And if that level also didn't sustain, then chances of going further low will be there. Then we can see a level of $23.680. okay, suppose the price fall below 23.680, then a probability is very high it can move further low towards a level of $23.479. okay, so once the price started falling below that particular level, we can see it can go further low towards a level of $23.318, and from there we can see it can move further low, and a probability is very high it can come down towards a level of $23. okay, so once the price started falling below 23, then chances of going towards a level of 22.883 is there. And if the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $22.610. okay, so once the price fall below this particular zone, yes, we can see, because this level we have not seen since March of 2023, so probability can be high. If it comes to a level of 22.610, a bounce back can come. But if this level didn't sustain, it can move further down towards a level of $22.217. okay, and if the price fall below this level, we can see it can move further low. So hope you like the video. Any doubt, you can mail me regarding it. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.